Let's learn about 5 iPhone settings you must turn off right now if you want to keep your battery health normal. So the first one is excessive iCloud syncing. If you have this, every time you open an app, it saves and updates data to your iCloud. This spends a lot of power, usage and battery health unnecessarily. So how we can turn it off is by going on settings, go to your name, go to iCloud option. Now you need to find manage storage option. Basically it's this one. Here you have information about every application and how much storage they have. We recommend turning and deleting off this for apps you don't use and you don't need. For example, this one. You can just select to delete data from iCloud or turn iCloud syncing for this app off. Next one is automatic updates. Basically, they are hidden battery drainers that you don't need. What they do is updating your applications and your system in the background, gathering information about updates and preparing updates itself. So how we can turn it off is by going on general, click on software update and click on automatic updates option. Here automatically install option will be enabled. You just need to turn it off. Now you can go back, scroll down and find apps option. Here you need to find App Store, click on it and disable everything here in automatic downloads. Basically this will stop and prevent apps to update by themselves, which will save a lot of power and battery when you are using your phone for something else. Now, active widgets on home screen are also draining your battery because they need to give you an information about something in the real time, for example, weather and calendar. We recommend you disabling and removing widgets that you don't need on home screen, and how you can do that is by holding on widget and you can just click on remove stack or remove widget. This will remove your widget from home screen and save a bit of your power usage. Now, don't enable your low power mode when your battery is higher than 20%. Why? Because when you enable it, it will turn off your phone for like what, 30 seconds. If you are not using it, it will disable most options. And when you have more than 20%, it's not critical. You don't need to turn on your low power usage and low power mode. This will just drain your battery health a lot more when you are not using it. So just don't turn it on when your battery percentage is above 20. Now for the last, you should monitor your battery usage when you can, and you can do that by checking on daily battery usage. To find that option, go back to settings, find battery option, and here on the main page you have daily usage, and here you have apps that use your battery the most and how much time you spent on them. So this can be helpful if you want to save up on your battery. You can just stop using that app, limit your time on that app, which will save your power, time and battery. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.